Before we begin the series on finishes, let me talk to you about safety. Wood turning can be dangerous, and in particular when you're using finishes, some of the finishes, you need to exercise special care. For example, whenever you're putting on or applying any finishes, make sure you're using gloves. These are blue nitrile gloves, and they're made specifically for putting finishes on. They are chemical resistant. The other thing you want to make sure of is many of these finishes that you can use, when they are in the form of, when you're putting them on the bowl, in other words, when they're not cured, they can be toxic. The fumes can be toxic, and they can be toxic to your hands. So you want to make sure you have adequate ventilation when you're putting some of those finishes on. And last, you want to be sure that the materials that you're using to clean the finishes are linen, soft cloth, or soft paper towels.